What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Away with the playbook. Hope you're having a great day, morning, or evening. And y'all read the title, man. Master these three concepts to trade profitably. Now, this is your first time on my channel. Welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we also post weekly stock analysis, weekly crypto analysis, and most importantly, we live stream and live trade every day. London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. Shout out to my boy Jordan. He just got funded another account. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it's either 100 or a 50K account. Can't remember. He's gonna have to correct me, but he said officially funded. And if we scroll up a little bit, you can see he's been putting in. If we scroll up a little bit, you can see he's been putting in that work, letting me know, keep me up to date, giving him feedback. If he's got any questions, he's been letting me know, but he's been working on this for the past month and some change, as another 150K account, man. So let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So the first concept, or the first thing you need to understand and get down before you want to go anywhere as far as putting money into the markets, buying a prop firm challenge or anything like that, is you have to understand how to read the charts. I talk about this all the time. We make money based on the charts. We lose money based on the charts. The confusion is caused by the charts. So we have to take the time, rip that band-aid off, and learn how to read the charts. And once you rip that band-aid off, you notice that price literally does the same thing over and over again. You just have to understand what those patterns are and what those things are price is doing. And this is why I go over in the course and one-on-one session behind the scenes with the members and students all the time, right? Price only does one of two things, either goes up or goes down. So it's our job to understand which one of those two things is going to do and understand why it's going to do that, but also take it a further step with understanding where we can expect price to go before the next rejection or retracement, right? That's what these key price levels are. But you have to understand how to read the charts. Once you understand how to read the charts, you're going to not only feel a lot more confident in your setups, you're going to start taking smarter setups, and you're going to be able to make and secure more profits because you will understand when to get in, get out the trade, and also understand the signs of, is this a retracement or is this a rejection? You get what I'm saying? So the second thing you have to understand is you need to respect the market, right? You have to have discipline. Now, you can have the best strategy in the world, but if you're not able to execute that strategy, you're going to struggle. With discipline, you need to not be greedy, not let FOMO take over, and you need to not let winning trades turn to losers, right? And one of the best ways to make sure winning trades don't turn to losers is for going for high risk reward ratio setups. I always recommend going for 1 to 2 to 1 to 3 minimum risk reward ratio setups. That way, even if you lose a trade, the winning trade will cancel out 2, if not even 3 losses if you calculate your lot size correctly. You get what I'm saying? And that brings us into the third concept, which is simple math. Now, this goes into what we was just talking about, risk to reward. Let's bring out the calculator so it'll make a lot more sense, right? So let me pull out the calculator really quick. Make sure to hit that like button too, y'all, if you haven't already. Okay. So let's just say, just to use simple numbers, let's say we got a $1,000 account, and let's say we took a trade and we risked $100 and we lost, right? So boom, we're down $100. So what most people would do if they lost the trade is they're going to risk less the next trade because they want to be safe. No. That's not what you want to do. What you want to do is you want to risk the same amount. This is free game, by the way. You want to risk the same amount every single trade. Okay. So let's say the next trade we risk $100 again. Let's say it was a winning trade, and let's not do a 1 to 6. This was a trade we caught. Let's just do a simple, so 1 to 4, 1 to 4. Let's just do this one, 1 to 3, right? So we bring that calculator out. Again, we're at $100. We're at $900. We're $100 down. 100 times 3 because I was a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio setup, right? Gives us $300. So 300 plus the 900 we have. You see how that win canceled out that loss? So this is why risk reward is so important, as well as a discipline. So when you take smart trades, you have high risk reward ratio setups, and you're going with the flow of price because you're reading the charts, you're automatically going to have success. As long as you stick to the game plan, you don't overtrade, you're going to have success. All right, y'all. This is that simple. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description on the free signal for Telegram. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, my signal service, my mentorship programs, make sure to hit those links in the description, y'all. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible setups going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the Advanced Play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are an hour long, and they're sent to you the same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also, make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.